Now we are going for the Pakmark Trail, a self-guided trekking. A Malabar peeled hornbill, allowable for small children also. A red-whiskered bulbul. So there is no doubt to find our trail path. There will be signboards. Loneliness in the forest. You can walk alone. So let us go and see.
As for any activities inside the Periyar Tiger Reserve, for this Pakmark Trail also, we have to collect the ticket from the Ecotourism Information Center, which is situated on Kumali Thekadi Road.
Informative program ആണ് നമുക്ക് ഓൺ ആയിട്ട് റീഡ് ചെയ്ത്
The staff over here in this information center will give us the necessary informations regarding this Pakmark Trail, and we have to report in the main entrance of Periyar Tiger Reserve. It took hardly 5 to 6 minutes to complete the necessary registration formalities over here, and we are now ready for the Pakmark Trail.
Now we are going for the Pakmark Trail, a self-guided trekking. It's a small trekking, can be done without any help of a guide or someone. Today morning we did a half-day bamboo rafting inside the Periyar Tiger Reserve Forest and Periyar Lake. So after that, time is right now 2:30, just reaching 3 o'clock. So right now we are again going for another trekking. It's a Pakmark Trail, a self-guided trekking inside the Periyar Tiger Reserve Forest. It is allowable for small children also. The other trekking and other bamboo rafting are only available for children above 12 years, while this self-guided trekking, Pakmark Trail, is open for all. So for that we took a ticket of 100 rupees and entrance fee ticket of 70 rupees from the Periyar Tiger Reserve. So it's a self-guided trekking. There is no support from the external people or other Tiger Reserve staffs. There will be signboards, so we have to obey that and to come back. So let us go and see how it is working.
This is a beautiful forest area where we can see lot of animals, different types of monkeys, samba deers, and lot of birds.
This is the first signboard. You can see that Pakmark Trail, a self-guided trail, begins from here. ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ആയിട്ട് ബോർഡ് കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഡയറക്ഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും പോകേണ്ടത്. നമുക്കൊന്ന് പോയി നോക്കാം. So now we can see the second board, History of Periyar. So it is clearly written the history from 1100 AD to 2007. So Mullaperiyar Dam in making, Mullaperiyar Dam after completion, so sketches are also there. So we can see that. So we can search for a third board. Here we can see one small board. It is written as red-whiskered bulbul. It's just like a area where we can expect the sighting of red-whiskered bulbul.
This is one of the best things to do over here in Thekadi. Yes, Pakmark Trail, a self-guided trekking. It's very good one, and remember this is allowable for the children also.
We can see the fourth board. It is regarding the Western Ghats. So some description about the Western Ghats and some picturization on the map, India map, where the Western Ghat is situated. Also there we can see one big Tectonia grandis, teak wood.
It's really mesmerizing.
So another signboard we can see here, it is written as Malabar peeled hornbill. So the possibility to get the sighting of Malabar peeled hornbill is much more here. That's what they give the signboard here. So we can see the another board which is describing something around biodiversity. It's showing some symbols of lizard, tortoise, snake, gecko, frog, whale, etc. It is only informative board. It is not related to this place. So now we can see another board which is showing another bird. It is black hooded oriole. Same time we can see another board on a wood, a tree, that is patatali, called as patatali. So like this we can go through this walkway, a trail, that is a self-guided trail. We can see so many boards on the way. There is no doubt in our mind to where to go and how to proceed. It is very clearly, the board, signboards are very close to each other. So there is no doubt to find our trail path. So we can see one board here, one board there. So there are boards are very close to each other. So we never lose our path. So let us go and complete this thing. I am not describing each and every points and each and every signboards. So I am just walking and I am doing my trekking through here.
We are really excited because we can see animals just 100 meters away from us. There are a lot of animals just 50 to 100 meters away from this trail. This is really a thrilling trip, thrilling trail, thrilling trekking, because we have to search and find out our way, and we have to walk around and we can see the animals. You have to experience this at least once in your life. You should never forget this whenever you are coming Thekadi next. This is one of the best activities to do over here in Thekadi. Yes, Pakmark Trail, a self-guided trail, a mini trekking. Remember, the ticket costing is something around 100 rupees. Along with, we have to take the entrance ticket. So total 170 rupees per head. It is so cheap, but the result is very good.
ഞാൻ ഓടി തന്നെ കണ്ടുണ്ട് കുറച്ചതാ അയ്യോ അയ്യോ.
I am sure that you also visited Thekadi before this, but the chances are very less to do this Pakmark Trail. Am I right? As I said earlier, this is a program which can be allowable to the children, small children also.
So now we almost completed the Pakmark Trail. 2 kilometer trail it is. It is very nice one because there is no support from any guides or any staffs of Periyar Tiger Reserve. So you have to find out your way by searching the signboards. So we did that. It's an exciting, no? So we have to search for another signboard and we have to proceed like that. So also we can see lot of animals, lot of monkeys and sambar deer also we have met. So it's a nice experience. So you have to come here and enjoy that loneliness in the forest. You can walk alone. It's very good.
I hope you enjoyed this video and the details regarding this Pakmark Trail. So requesting you to subscribe this channel and share this video to others.